Honda CR-V, first generation, driver's side power window motor replacement in details. Let's get started. First, we have to remove the inner door panel. One clip to remove at the very top. Phillips screw, take that one out. One at the top of the handle, one on the middle, another Phillips, and third one at the very end of the handle. Remove that, and here we go. Let's remove the speaker cover. 3 more screws behind the cover. Remove those Phillips ones. Okay, side mirror cover, pop that one out. Pry that panel back. Okay, disconnect the speaker. Right, now wiggle it up and lift it and put it to the side. Okay, let's disconnect our wiring to the central power lock. There we go. Disconnected. Okay, let's unlock and remove the door handle leverage. Nice. Okay, I will show you how to get this door lock properly out because it won't come out. As you can see, it's latching. When it's pushed to the left, then you have to push it all the way to the right and pull it towards. That way you will be able to remove the door panel, otherwise it will stay locked and the door handle. Here we go. Push it and pull it. Finally, replacement part arrived, and this one is made by Doorman. Part number, as you can see, it's new. Let's plug it in and it should work. Okay, yeah, let's turn our key to the on position and hope for the best. Oh yeah, ooh. Now we're talking. Ooh. Happy. 10mm socket to remove few bottom rack screws. It will make our motor removal easier. Okay, 8mm socket to remove our power window motor. As you can see, there's only 3 screws. You can undo them from inside. Pretty easy. Rack is loose. That's what we want. Alright, let's remove those 3 screws. Pretty simple. Alright. Now, third one is removed, and let's pull our power window motor out. Nice and easy. Okay, before installing the new one, let's compare to the original we just removed, and they look exactly the same. Yeah, that was original from the factory, OEM, 25 years old power window motor. Okay, let's put a little bit of lubricant on a power window motor gear before installing. Make sure everything will turn smoothly. Okay, let's start our bottom rack screws. Just start them by hand like that and put our motor in. Remember which way it was installed. Let's tie those bolts, plug it in electrical connector, and turn our ignition on and see how it works. Voila, we're going down, and now window is going up. Nice and easy. I'm going to lubricate the track, make sure it's all lubricated. I'm going to spray the silicone based lubricant. Yeah, lubricant is our best friend. And also I'm going to spray inside the door where the track is continuing, and same thing on another side. Yeah, also I'm going to put some lube on a metal track as well. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video, and if you have any questions, put them all down in the comment section below. Take care, see you soon, and bye bye.